Okay, guys. Guess who's got plant mail? I just got home. I had ordered these cuttings from, 2 nodes, 3 leaves. I can't show you my address, but 2 nodes, 3 leaves on Etsy. I've ordered from Anna before and always been happy. So what I got here is Hoya Cutting Surprise Box. Set of 10 small leaf Hoya varieties. 1 node cuttings, grower's choice. And the insulation, did I add the insulation? Because I'm glad it's insulated. I don't know if I added that or she included that, but I'm glad she did because suddenly yesterday, temperature dropped. And I just got home. This was on my doorstep. And the box felt kind of cold, but I was happy to see the insulation when I opened this up. I don't know what these cuttings are, and we're going to look together. So if these turn out to be things that I have already, then they'll be going on my, this is usable, so I'll be using that. Future orders. Okay, I'm kind of nervous to do this. Let me get rid of, okay. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna look together, okay? All right, oh, this is cute the way she has these. So if these turn out to be anything that I already have, and ooh, I'm so excited because so far, just looking at these tags, I don't think I have any of these. So good job, you know. But if, let's say the next one has some plants that I already have, then I will be, look at this. I got to show you this though. Let me turn it. Okay, some of them are going to be upside down to you. Doesn't matter. We'll look at each tag as we take these out. The only thing is I hope, how am I going to know which one's which? That is the question. Okay, but anyway. So let me carefully take this off so I don't ruin these tags. So it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this one. And I like the way she packed this. Very cute. So one is a Lacanosa Violet. Lacanosa species Nangjuk. And I'm sure I didn't say that right. Lacanosa, this one I wanted. Oh! Parangan Durian. And Lacanosa Moonlight. And Lacanosa Soma. Sure, that's how you pronounce it. This is cute. What is this? Is this like a sticker? HoyaCuttings.com. Welcome to our shop 2024. Well, that's cute. So, I don't know. I'll have to ask for an explanation of that sticker. Is there a separate shop? I have no idea. Okay. And I do have the phytosanitary, what do you call that? Phytosanitary certificate. She explained to me before, and this is wet, which is nice to keep a little moisture in there. So let's see what we got. Now the ID is going to be difficult because I don't know which one's which. But this is beautiful. Aw, look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? And yeah, everything's looking good so far. So yeah, these are inspected, which is great. I like ordering from her. And she explained that to me because I bought something else from her before. Ooh, look at this one. It's supposed to be, I thought it said 1 leaf. What did it say? Let me read that again. Sorry, guys, all over the place. I came home excited. Okay. Set of 10 small leaf Hoya, 1 node cuttings. Okay. Is that 1 node? Well, this looks like more than 1, but whatever. Still cool. Thank you. Oh, So cute. And everything's looking good so far. I was worried with the cold. But like I said, it dropped last night in this area. This came from Texas. So feels a little cold to touch, but hopefully they'll recover. Isn't that pretty? Oh my God. I don't know which is which, so I'll have to do a little research to see. Oh man, look at this one, guys. Look at the variegation. All right. I'll have to research each one and just see which is which. Hopefully I'll be able to identify them correctly. And I have these little test tubes that I bought because I am also going to be offering mystery cuttings. I've been thinking about that. I just don't know if people want to order this time of the year or not. Can you see that? Okay, I'm not used to being on this side, sorry. I hope you've been able to see these all. Let me show you it all again one more time. There you go. Very pretty. And here we go. Very pretty. I love it. And this one looks a lot like it's looking a little wrinkled. So yeah, I got to get these taken care of properly. I might just put them in some sphagnum moss for a little bit. Let them grow out a little roots. I don't know. What would you do? Or I could pin them right in some fluval or maybe the tree fern. Not sure, but we will figure that out. Okay, these are very nice. So far, so good. I'm very happy with that. Okay. So let's put this back in here. And hopefully they won't shock on me. I guess I could have ordered, but I didn't know how long it was going to take. I thought it would have been here sooner, but I think sometimes the holdup is the inspection, you know, until they get inspected. I think she told me they come out like once a week and inspect the stuff, which gives me a little more comfort and security knowing that I'm getting healthy plants. All right, so, oh my God. Okay, Wenchienensis. I think I might have that one, but everything else, I hit the jackpot because I think these are all ones that I don't have except for Wenchienensis. That sounds very familiar. I think I do have some tiny leaf cutie pie up there. That's doing well, by the way. I got, I think it's a free cutting from my buddy in New Jersey. Okay, so Lacanosa, Silver Snow. Can you guys see that? We got Silver Snow, and this I can never say. Kanyaku Mariana, the one that looks like the Endoensis, I believe. That's what that one is. Silver Snow. I love my Lacanosa, guys. Bruno, tricolor. Oh my God. I would try not to act a fool on camera, but I can't help it. I'm excited. And this one, so Wenchienensis. And I love these little tags too. Stenophilia. Stenophilia. All right. I've heard of it. I'm not really sure what it looks like. There are so many Hoya in this wonderful world of ours. Hoya makes it a better place for me. Okay, so little dampness here, little fluff, and all. Oh, okay. I think I know. I don't know if that's the name. Is that the steno something? It's an odd leaf. Very small, cute. Okay. I don't know if that's what that is. This is the one that starts with a K. That looks like Endoensis. Cute. Very cute. All right, guys. So far, so good. And this one, It's adorable. Here you go. Can you see that? I hope so. Yeah, I think it's focused. And I wonder if this is the Bruno tricolor. I think it is. And oh my God, look at all the leaves. Got a couple of notes there. Thank you, Anna. Can you see that? Very excited. This is so cool. And here's the other cutie. Yeah, this is the Winchinensis. So this one, if I can grow it out, will go onto the shop because I do have a Winchinensis, which I can show you if you guys are curious to see what it looks like. I can go grab that. Hold on one second. Be right back. Okay, guys. So yes, I was right. Affinity Serpens Winchinensis. This is my baby that has grown out quite a bit. I had it in a little shot cup for the longest and recently potted it up in this self-watering pot. I love these little pots. Yep, there's a little wick there, and I don't have to worry about it. When I had it in a cup, there were times I kind of forgot about watering it. So, but it's looking good, and oh, look at this. Peduncles, right? So tiny. I think, are they both peduncles? I think so. What do you think? So anyway, yep. So that's what it will grow out to look like. So I do love tiny little Hoyas, and these are wonderful. So thank you so much. Again, I got that from, is there a way to show you this without showing you my address? Probably not. But 2 notes, 3 leaves on Etsy.com. And you can find her on Instagram as well. And I think she might have some more. I'll post everything up there on the screen. But yeah, so these are the babies. Very happy with my little mystery cuttings. And I'll be getting them potted up tonight. Okay, guys. Take care. Thanks for joining me. Bye.